don't think about is sealing off the air from your attic into your house. We were at a friend's house and we had an issue with air from the attic, or she did, air from the attic coming into the house. So we added weather stripping on the door, and there were already the grooves there to put that in, and now this door is sealing really tight. Something that folks will do is they'll put a hollow core door to block off the air from the attic. Well, that's not going to work really well. We've taken these insulation boards and we're going to put some glue here and then put this on this door with the foil paper facing the attic to help reflect that heat back. And now this door will be much more energy efficient.